Hi, I am Sundeep Ahuja from Trendsetters. Every time when you see something new, it motivates you to create something more better than that. Right now we are making hospitals, hotels, few good residential projects and few industrial projects. So that is the only thing from since my childhood I was very much interested in drawings and all that stuff when I used to see the mega structures and all that stuff. So it was like that. If people are making the brain, they are using the physics behind it and other things. So that was the only thing. Till now, if I feel something and it's in my mind and which I would like to say to everybody, whomsoever want to be in the industry or whomsoever want to be rise, it's like if the other person can do it, you can also do it. In every project, you won't find the whole project is same. It's not like you're doing. There is a bit complicated projects. There are so many complicated, and I love to do those projects which people say it's not possible. This always, make me push further to be in this industry. Because every day we are making new things and we are making the nation, because buildings are the face of the nation, and we are making our nation beautiful. There are buildings which always attracts you towards them. So I'm not saying it's a one place. There are so many masterpieces are there. I started my journey quite early, but with Aludecor, I'm associated from last 20 years. Aludecor team is the day Aludecor was established. I was one of the oldest customer, because we were associated in 2004 December or January 2005. Since then, I'm using each and every product of Aludecor. Why I'm using this is just because every time after a certain period I'm getting something new, and I think there is not even a single product which I haven't used of Aludecor. Since from last 3 years also I'm using the zinc, virgin zinc I have also used. I have used ZCP, wabi sabi, sand, marble finish. You name it, I have used it. Sand and rustic series, I have used sand and rustic series particularly many times. And in my coming project also, I'm using the sand series, because the demand of our architect, he wants to have a finish of dholpur, so which we find in that sand. And even rustic series, I'm doing one of the projects, and I have completed one project in that rustic series. And right now even I'm doing using two different shades in that and making something new. It's basically the color and the technology. Personally, when you feel it, you can give a feel to a customer. It's not plain. When you want to give a feel of a sand, so you can say to a customer कि आप उसमें रेत को फील करोगे कि इसमें रेत की फीलिंग आ रही है. You can feel it like it's a texture. It's not a plain stuff. It's not printed. There is something different. So by all means, the technology makes a lot of difference, and I'm putting in most of my projects, and whomsoever wants something different should go in this series. My recommendation, if you really want to have a finish long lasting, you should use it.